Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our weekly analysis for gold. Right, let's start with my YouTube channel showing you the videos which I upload every week. Also, there's some important videos coming. You must watch those, especially this video here, market structure video. It was uploaded 4 days ago, and the second part of it will be coming this week, hopefully. All right. So you make sure you watch this video and the other video. And if you already have some knowledge of Forex, I'm positive that if you practice these two videos, the second video is coming, as I said, then you can make profit with proper risk to reward and proper money management skills. Right. So this is that. And also one more thing, almost every day I have a live chart. So you can have guidance for where you should be able to take trades and you can where from you can get exits or entries and stuff like that. So it's every day. At weekends, I have Bitcoin chart normally, unless I'm away or I'm busy. And during week, I have gold chart. Right. So normally that's New York session, and it's still live even I'm not trading. It's normally live most of the time. Right. Okay, guys. So let's start our analysis. We start with Forex Factory and see what's happening in the market. That's for the Monday 20 starting market starting 23rd of September 2024. That's UK time. And for the Monday, we can see that we have quite a bit of high impact news in Euro, GBP, and USD. I'm generally interested in USD, so we got 240 PM flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. Okay. And next Tuesday, we have some news. We have quite heavy impact news as well with different currencies, but we're interested in this 3 PM news. Consumers' confidence and rich manufacturing, that's heavy and medium impact respectively. The rest of the time, with different pairs. And going on to Wednesday, USD 3 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. we have USD medium impact. We have medium impact news. So that's that. And Thursday we have pending home sales, and in fact, let me go back. The news starts from 130. Final GDP Q/Q and unemployment claims and core durable orders and durable goods orders. So it's 130. But first two one have impact and rest medium impact. And also we got 3 and 415 as well. Medium impact news as well. Penny home sale and trading. SEC Yellen speaks. And also, yeah, if you want to go details of these news, you always can go into the folder and check. So this is what this news is. The number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past weeks. So it gives you more details, what's the effect of this news and when it's released and when the next release, etc. So you can find different details which are helpful to understand the economy and to understand about the news. Right now, going on to 27th, on 20, so we already, right. So we done the Thursday, we done, sorry, Wednesday, Thursday, and now we're on 27th, Friday. Friday, we have course PCE price index 130 does have impact. And 3 p.m. 3 p.m. we have and 3 p.m. We have a revised consumer sentiment. So these are having bad news for dollar. Right. Okay. So that's as far as the news is concerned. And now let's jump into the chart, see what's happening here in gold. Right. And it's monthly chart. As you can see, the monthly is highly bullish. That's what it is normally in these months. And in December, gold is normally up till December, it will remain bullish. To see that, let's check. It has been so in past. Look, past Jan, August, September, October, November, December. So it's not as bullish, but most of the time it is bullish. And then it started bullish in later on, and then it came back again. Then it started bullish from December 22 is bullish. Now this December is bullish. Then even from this year is highly bullish most of the time. And if even you go 2011, it's not as bullish. Here it is bullish. So anyway, we expect bullish. I personally expect it to be bullish in the next few months. The reason being that interest rates are going down and people are taking money out of the uh, banks and they're probably buying golds and cryptos because they want more for their money, right? So going on to the chart analysis, this was the monthly resistance level and has been broken and is shooting up to the upside. And weekly we could expect that the rejection test of this level, but we didn't because the market was so bullish. It didn't happen, and market just made a double bottom here and just went up from this area. In daily, we daily have this area as well, and daily also you can see market try to come back to this level, but because of this structure level here, it just bounced back to the upside. And now these are the structure levels in daily, and this level was tested. Let's see what's happening in 4H. In 4H, we were expecting this level to be tested. Why it didn't happen? We probably have something in 1H. So market just respected this 1H level and just flied to the upside. So that's the difference as 25, 35 to 25, 45 roughly. So about almost 100 pips difference. So which clearly shows the market is very bullish. So I'm expecting very high movement in next few months. To get the benefit most of these levels, it's best to follow your trading plan and structure levels. And look, this in one edge, this area was tested and market went to the upside. Let's go to 4H and see what are the best areas to buy. So as you can see, the market has broken this structure level here. So if we reverse back to, it already tested this level. So I am expecting it should come to this level. So that's one possibility for a buy trade here. Or another possibility. So 1, 2. So there's a 2 level. So it should bounce back from this level. So that could be a buy opportunity. And also, if this area is broken, then we possibly can see another buy from here. Let me remove all these levels. This is one structure level. And we got another structure level here. And that's another structure level. Using the Fibonacci tool, let's see what we get. Let me put a line here, line there. And let me put Fib levels now, and we can see the market. This was the breakout level here. And 0.618 level has already been broken. So market has already achieved this level, the expected level. And what else? Now, let me see what we can see if any further levels. So if you want to add different levels, you can add more levels. These are the levels to the downside. So what we can do, put in the reverse way. And then these levels, see this level, 0.618 level. This is already broken, so we have further levels to the upside. And so on. But anyway, there are different ways of putting Fibonacci, and I do not really trade on Fibonacci unless it's structure levels. Fibonacci just give you an idea, and unless you have you see the evidence and you see the structure levels, you shouldn't just trade on Fibonacci. I hope this is useful. And for the daily setups, please make sure you see my daily levels in the video in the daily live chart, which is always almost 24 hour. So as I said, I already marked these levels. So for every support and every resistance, there are market rejections and market give some kind of reaction. So make sure you keep an eye on the structure levels. So this is an area. This is an area, an area in one level. This is another level or area. So make sure you keep an eye on those levels, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.